Hey guys, welcome back to DHK Dude. This is a last part of DIY 4x4x4 RGB CharlieCube, so stay tuned with us. In part 1, we saw how to make spires of RGB LED cube. We made 16 spires and tested them using simple Arduino circuit. We are now ready to proceed further and complete rest of the work. If you missed part 1, link of the part 1 is available in the description below. All the links of this project is also available in the description below. If you have any query, feel free to drop a comment. So let's start to build the cube. We already have 16 spires ready and we need to solder them on the prototype board at equal distance, but before doing this I sprayed black color on the prototype board to make it visually more appealing. It will also look good when you run cube in the dark room. This is how it looks at the back side of the board. You must remember one thing before soldering spires. Notch direction of bottom LEDs of all spires must be same. If you missed that, your cube will not run properly. However, you can correct mistake later in the software. But it is always better to do it right first time. Once you solder all spires on the prototype board, take single strand wire and prepare them as shown in the video. All 16 spires will be connected to Arduino Nano pins in 4 different groups, which we will see later. Use wire cutter to remove insulation and strip the wire without cutting them in pieces. It is always good to take different color wires to avoid confusion. But if you don't have, try to get as many different color wires as you can. Here are the pictures of how you need to solder wires in 4 different groups. Check the last group carefully, it has different order to connect with Arduino. Once you understand how to solder wires in groups, start soldering them one by one on the board. Always use multimeter to ensure they are soldered as per requirement. After soldering first group of wires, your board will look like this. After soldering all 16 wires, your board will look like this. That's the reason to keep checking and ensuring connection with multimeter on initial stage, otherwise at last it's hard to correct them. Solder all 16 wires to Arduino Nano as shown in the image. You can use separate ribbon cable wires to connect with Arduino. And now, it's showtime. Link of the sketch and library is available in the description below. Enjoy!